life lately, I've been learning to try things I'm not used to. Even the simple ones like cooking something on my own and just figuring things out as I go. So today, I decided to cook ingon pa ni Sherwina balls, basic adobo. I started preparing everything. Cutting, seasoning, feeling like okay ra gini, kaya ra gini, like I can actually do this. But halfway through, guys, I realized na paday ko'y kulang, so I had to stop everything, go out and buy what I needed. Wa ko'y atsal, wa ko'y pepper, wa ko'y oyster sauce. Nya bukid ra ba ni amuan no, layo kaayo sa kabihasnan. And while I was walking around the grocery, I had this random thought. Sometimes in life, di I know, we thought na ready na ta. But along the way, we realized there's still so much we don't know yet. So I went back home, finished cooking, and finally tasted it. To my surprise, it didn't turn out how I expected. It was dry, as in, super jud siya ka dry jud. I just sat there like, hala, oy, naunsa man ni uy. And honestly, I didn't know if I should laugh or be disappointed. Maybe both? But after that, I realized something. Not everything we try will turn out right the first time. And that's okay. Because sometimes, growth doesn't look like getting it right. Sometimes it looks like trying, making mistakes, missing a few things, and learning along the way. And maybe that's how life really is. Not always smooth, not always perfect, but still moving, still teaching, still shaping you. So yeah, maybe it wasn't the best adobo, but at least I'm learning little by little. Adios, soulmates!